Let's take you to the bar. Being a Friday, I'm talking about not the pub, but the legal hub. And the Kenya School of Law and the Council of Legal Education have rubbished claims that they have intentionally ensured students fail their bar exams. Questions on whether law degrees adequately prepare the students to join the Advocates Training Program and whether the Advocates Training Program adequately equips students for the bar exam have become prevalent. NTV's Hellen spoke to stakeholders in a quest to dissect the issues.
With the integrity of the legal education at stake, institutions such as Kenya School of Law and Council of Legal Education have been thrust in the limelight by reports of unprecedented mass failure in the bar exam. Those who hold the keys to the bar say this is about serious gatekeeping.
Ours is to ensure that the standards of the legal profession do not drop. There have been complaints in the past, if you talk to practitioners out there, people, members of the judiciary and so forth, that sometimes some of the lawyers who appear before them or who they interact with do not seem to be quite up to scratch.
The Law Society of Kenya says training and passing the bar exam is not a walk in the park.
Bar is not an easy exam. One should not just think that you'll waltz into the School of Law, sit the bar exam and get your 9 Ps. You have to actually read hard for it.
A former student who sat for his bar exam in 2018 is among a growing number of students who are raising issue with the system.
When the results were released last year, I was among those people who had not passed. I decided to remark the paper. The results came out, I had a pass.
Students take 9 units to pass the bar exam, namely ATP 100 Civil Litigation, ATP 101 Criminal Litigation, ATP 102 Probate and Administration, ATP 103 Legal Writing and Drafting, ATP 104 Trial Advocacy, ATP 105 Professional Ethics, ATP 106 Legal Practice Management, ATP 107 Conveyancing, and ATP 108 Commercial Transactions. Each unit costs 5,000 shillings, which adds up to 45,000 shillings for the 9 units. Remarking of a paper costs 15,000 shillings and receipting a paper costs 10,000 shillings. In 2018, a total of 1,572 students sat for the exam. Only 290 qualified, making it a pass rate of 9%. In 2017, the pass rate was 22%. A year before it was 9%. And in 2015, 19% of those examined passed.
For very many students who have not cleared with the Kenya School of Law because of receipts. And the rate at which they are failing is not really making sense.
The two bodies say the failure rates are not about restricting access to the profession as it is not saturated. They also deny accusations that they are making money from having students resit the exams.
Council cannot utilize a cent of it without authority of the Treasury. Yeah. So it does not benefit Council.
Institutions that offer the law program have increased in recent times, translating to more students taking up the course. The Kenya School of Law says it has contracted an independent party to audit the pass rates for admission into the course in campus and in a curriculum review. The Law Society of Kenya confirmed the allegations and told NTV they are still probing the matter and will make known the result in a report once they are done. Hellen, NTV.